Hello everyone, and welcome to Axion Engineering. Ready to master AutoCAD? You've just found the perfect starting point. This AutoCAD Tutorial for Absolute Beginners series will guide you step by step, taking you from the very basics all the way to advanced techniques. In today's video, we'll cover what AutoCAD is and why it's important, a brief look at its history and evolution, an overview of its powerful features and the benefits you'll gain, and finally, a step-by-step guide on how to download and install AutoCAD. Ready? Let's get started. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design, CAD, and drafting software application developed and marketed by Autodesk. First released in December 1982, it originally ran as a desktop application on microcomputers with internal graphics controllers. Today, AutoCAD is widely used across industries by architects, engineers, project managers, city planners, graphic designers, and interior designers. A brief history and evolution of CAD. CAD, or computer-aided design, has become the foundation of how we design and build almost everything. But how did it all begin? Let's rewind all the way back to 1861, when French chemist Alphonse-Louis Poitvin discovered that images could be reproduced from translucent documents by exposing ferrogallate-coated paper to UV light. This innovation gave rise to blueprints, a method of duplicating architectural drawings with high accuracy. These reproductions allowed designs to be shared and replicated, reducing human error. It's no coincidence that the Second Industrial Revolution began just a few years later. Fast forward to 1936, British mathematician Alan Turing introduces the concept of the Turing machine, laying the groundwork for modern computing. In the 1940s and 1950s, mainframe computers entered the scene, and by 1955, transistors began replacing vacuum tubes, dramatically increasing processing speeds. Then, in 1961, Dr. Patrick J. Hanratty joined General Motors Research Laboratories and helped develop DAC, Design Automated by Computer. Meanwhile, Douglas T. Ross, another computing pioneer, coined the term CAD. Though both contributed significantly, Hanratty is often referred to as the father of CAD. In 1971, Hanratty introduced ADAM, Automated Drafting and Machinery, a software platform from which an estimated 90% of today's drafting tools evolved. AutoCAD itself began as a program called InteractCAD in 1977, later known as MicroCAD, co-founded by John Walker. The first version of AutoCAD was showcased at Comdex 1982 and officially released that December. Initially, it ran on CPM-80 and IBM PCs. By 1986, AutoCAD had become the most widely used CAD software in the world. The following decade saw major leaps forward. 3D modeling was introduced, enabling innovations like building information modeling, BIM, and digital prototyping. From 2010 onward, AutoCAD launched a web-based and mobile version, letting designers work from virtually anywhere. Features like Autodesk Recap let users work directly from laser scans and photographs, bringing the real world into the design space. AutoCAD has evolved from paper blueprints to desktop software to a powerful cloud-based design platform. Key features of AutoCAD. 1. 2D drafting, drawing, and annotation. Precision drawing tools. Draw lines, circles, arcs, and other shapes with pinpoint accuracy. Layer management. Organize and control visibility, colors, and properties for complex projects. Dimensions and annotations. Clearly communicate technical information. Dynamic blocks create reusable, customizable components. Parametric constraints maintain relationships between objects that automatically update. Data extraction generate reports from objects and attributes. Sheet set manager manage multiple drawings across a single project efficiently. 2. 3D modeling and visualization. Solid surface and mesh modeling build realistic 3D designs. 3D navigation tools explore your designs using Orbit, ViewCube, and more. Rendering and visual styles apply materials and lighting to visualize projects. Model documentation generate accurate 2D views from 3D models. Point clouds work with laser scan data as a design base. 3. Collaboration and sharing, cloud and mobile access. View, edit, and share designs anytime, anywhere. DWG Compare, spot changes between drawing versions. Trace feature, safely add feedback without altering the original. External references, XREFs. Link external data and manage it easily. Multi-user markup, collaborate with team members directly on drawings. 4. Automation and customization. Automate drafting tasks. Speed up your workflow with AI-assisted tools. User customization. Personalize your workspace and toolsets. APIs and scripting. Extend functionality with AutoLisp, VBA, and macros. Benefits of using AutoCAD. 1. Enhanced precision. AutoCAD enables extremely accurate measurements and design, minimizing errors common in manual drafting. 2. Improved efficiency. Features like dynamic blocks, templates, and automation streamline the design process. Changes are easy to make without redrawing everything. 3. Better visualization. With 3D modeling and rendering, you can create lifelike visuals that help clients and stakeholders understand the final product. 4. Seamless collaboration. Thanks to cloud integration, teams can work on the same project simultaneously from different locations. 5. Wide industry use. AutoCAD is used in architecture, floor plans, elevations, 3D models, mechanical engineering, machine parts, assemblies, civil engineering, infrastructure design, interior design, space planning and 3D visualization, electrical engineering, schematics and layouts. Number 6, comprehensive documentation. AutoCAD makes it easy to produce clean, professional drawings with annotations, dimensions, and details. 7, software compatibility. It integrates with other Autodesk tools, like Revit, Navisworks, and Inventor, and supports multiple file formats, including DWG, DXF, and DWF. Conclusion. In essence, AutoCAD revolutionizes the way we design, transforming traditional drafting into a fast, precise digital process. With powerful tools, seamless collaboration, and broad industry application, AutoCAD remains an essential tool for modern professionals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Axion Engineering for more beginner-friendly AutoCAD tutorials. See you in the next video.